Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone two-factor authentication code not receiving issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to log in your account but you are unable to get the verification code, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically to fix an iPhone two-factor authentication code not being received or sent, you have to simply firstly check for basic network and cellular issues. So guys, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly as well as your cellular service is also working properly. So guys, check this or turn on the flight mode for 30 seconds, and after this turn it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply turn off any VPN which is connected with your device. So guys, for that, open settings and then go to general and then go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to go to software update and update your software to the latest version. Again, go back and from here go to date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this, go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this, go back and now you have to simply check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of support regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.